Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Vinted shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Vinted application on your device and you will now see the sign up as well as the login button. Just tap on the sign up button to create your new account. And now you can sign up using your Facebook, your Google account or your email address. Choose either one of these options. And if you choose email, you will be asked to enter your email address and also set up your username. After entering your username, just type in your email address and then enter your desired password for your account. You can then choose to receive any personalized offers by tapping on the first checkbox, and you will need to check the second one to agree with the terms and conditions. Then tap on the sign up button and you will now be asked to verify your identity. Just solve the given CAPTCHA, and after solving it, you will be asked to verify your email address. Just tap on Get My Verification Code, and now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So just check the inbox of your email address that you just entered while signing up, and you will now find your verification code. Just type in this code within this box and then click on the verify button. And now your email has successfully been verified. You can now tap on continue and then choose your location. And now you can immediately start using the app and start shopping for various products right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Vinted shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.